This is my drink. Wait. This is my mother's drink.
Careful ha, matapan mo ko.
Mine is mango. Hers is mango and gulam. And bro,
Yeah, you want chicken pops? You want chicken pops for ulam?
ano yun?
Para siyang nuggets pero maliliit. Bilog-bilog. Chicken pops. It's yummy. You wanna try? What's your ulam? Do you want egg?
Yung dati na gusto ko,
Marami?
mm
Yung chicken karage?
No.
Fried chicken?
yung dinala ko kila mama dati, yung for Paco.
Yung na yung chicken pops na ito, oh. Look. This one, oh. Look. Ito yun. You want? Chicken. Kasi anong oras na, oh?
It's yummy.
Nilutuan na kita?
Mm-mm.
Nilutuan na kita later. Lili ka. Lutuan na kita, ha?
Okay.
Kasi anong oras na, oh?
Look at what
I told you to put this in the bedroom.
mama
Cover it in the bedroom.
ako.
Erika. Ay,
Later na.
Erika.
Later na po. Bro. Bro, I wanna have this one inside. Let me show you something. Wait, come here. Goodbye. Comment down and below, subscribe and like. Bye bye. Bye bye. We love you.